Buy low, sell high strategy in fantasy football. In fantasy football, the buy low, sell high strategy involves acquiring underperforming players with potential for improvement at a low cost, buy low, and trading away overperforming players at their peak value, sell high. This approach aims to maximize team value and capitalize on market inefficiencies. Understanding buy low, this involves targeting players who are currently underperforming but have the potential to improve. Factors such as temporary slumps, injuries, or unfavorable matchups may contribute to their decreased value. Acquiring these players at a lower cost can yield significant returns when they rebound. Identifying sell-high opportunities. This entails trading players who are performing exceptionally well but may not sustain their high production. Selling these players at peak value can help you acquire more consistent performers or address other team needs. Evaluating player performance trends. Analyze player statistics, usage rates, and upcoming schedules to identify potential buy low and sell high candidates. Look for players with increasing snap counts or targets as buy low options and those with unsustainable touchdown rates or difficult upcoming matchups as sell high candidates. Considering injuries and recoveries. Players returning from injury may start slow, presenting buy low opportunities. Conversely, players performing well due to an injured teammate's absence might be sell high candidates once the starter returns. Assessing team dynamics and coaching changes. Changes in coaching staff or team dynamics can affect player performance. A new offensive coordinator might increase a player's usage, making them a buy low target before their role expands. Monitoring market sentiment. Stay informed about public perception and media narratives, as they can influence player valuations. A player criticized in the media may become undervalued, creating a buy low opportunity. Timing your trades. Execute trades when player values are at their most advantageous. For buy low targets, initiate trades after a poor performance or tough matchup. For sell high candidates, trade them following a standout game before regression occurs. Balancing risk and reward. While this strategy can be beneficial, it carries risks. A buy low player may continue to underperform, or a sell high player might maintain their production. Evaluate each move carefully and consider the potential impact on your team's overall performance. Examples of buy low and sell high candidates. In a recent discussion, players like Jalen Waddle and Michael Pittman Jr. were considered buy low targets due to their talent and potential for improved situations. Conversely, players who have overperformed expectations might be viewed as sell high candidates. Implementing a buy low, sell high strategy requires diligent analysis and timely decision making. By identifying undervalued and overvalued players, you can make strategic trades to enhance your fantasy football team's performance.